YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with another quick fix video on Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark suction side pool cleaner. So today we are going to actually show you guys how to get access to the internal parts of this cleaner, as well as how to actually remove and replace this rubber bottom for the cleaner. So stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So again, today we're gonna actually take apart Pentair's creepy crawly SandShark suction side pool cleaner and show you guys how to get access to the internals of this cleaner, as well as how to remove this rubber skirt that actually scrubs the bottom of your floor. Over time, these rubber teeth here on the bottom, which this is a used unit, so you will see a little bit of discoloration. This will wear down. These are actually like little scrubbers, so that as this agitates across the bottom of the pool floor, it'll actually do a little bit of scrubbing for you as well. So over time, similar to a lot of suction side pool cleaners, the foot pads or the pleated seals do wear, especially with water chemistry and usage. So really important to make sure that this stays up so that you're not getting too close to the suction port here on the bottom, which will cause the cleaner to get stuck. So if you haven't seen our other video on how to actually replace this bumper, go ahead and check that out. It's in the links below. Right now, I'm just gonna pop it off and then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so real simple. As you can see on this cleaner, there are no screws anywhere to be found on this top housing, as well as on the bottom. So how do you get it off? How do you remove this top housing? How do you get this skirt off? Really simple. It's actually fit along the edge. So if you actually peel back the rubber skirt on the bottom, you'll actually see that you can remove it. So you just work your way around the edge of the cleaner. Get it all the way off from the blue lip. And in doing so, it actually allows you to lift and remove the top shroud of the SandShark. So if you need access onto anything with this, that's how you're gonna get this off. So we'll just set this off to the side. And then now, as you can see, we've got the internals of the cleaner, as well as this bottom skirt. So in order to remove this bottom skirt, there actually are little knobs all the way along that actually pressure fit up into the frame of the cleaner. So you do gotta get a little bit of manhandle going on with it, and just don't be shy and pull it off, especially if you're gonna replace it with a new one. It's just gotta have to pull off and release from those pieces. So just gonna work your way. I start on one side, I'll switch to the other. So now you're there in the middle. And then from here, there's actually another tab that's going to pressure fit in that you just pull on. Everything's just kind of pushed in and pressure fit. So once you get the sides removed and you remove the front here, then you just move on to the back and lift on that one as well. And release the bottom piece. So as I said before, over time, this will deteriorate. So you will need to replace this. So again, make sure you guys check out all the links that we have below. It'll take you to our website where we have all of these parts available to completely rebuild this cleaner, and hopefully save you guys some money rather than having to purchase a brand new one. So really simple to install it. You can see it already has those pre-done pieces. And just like you did on taking it off, you're just gonna have to flip this over and pressure push everything through. So you do need to feed these flaps over through this hole, so in order for this to meet the proper template here. But once you guys do that, like I said, all it is just a simple pressure fit on here, and then you got a new skirt ready to go. And then you're just gonna follow the steps again on putting the shroud back on and redoing the lip, and then installing your bumper assembly as well. So make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you guys got any other questions. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.